All right, it's all set up, and this is actually a really great addition. Today we're gonna set up the Happin trampoline, the 55 inches in the beige and orange color that I bought on Amazon for the kids. Here's everything that came in this box.
Quality of this trampoline is decent, but there's definitely little details that are lacking. Like these slits are supposed to fit over these upright poles, and you can see that it's off by almost like an inch or so. So it's actually user error. We had to line up these slits with the poles before we set up all the springs.
So the directions just end by hanging those little grippy things on the pole, but it doesn't talk about the punching bag or the hammock. All right, it's all set up, and this is actually a really great addition. Our kids are really loving playing inside of this. I feel like this is actually very safe and well built, so good job. There's also the punching bag, but we need to fill that with something, and it didn't come with anything to fill it, so we're gonna decide what is gonna go into that. This is the punching bag. These are the punching gloves. This is the hammock. This is actually pretty nice quality material. And these are the little hanging rings. Those are the balls that came with it, and those are really fun. And it has a nice zipper closure. Definitely highly recommend this. This was a great purchase. One thing I'm gonna get is a cover so that we can keep this outdoors, and I'll share that in a follow-up video. Thanks for watching. Bye.